Hello everyone, so there's a new update in Grok where you can now animate your images with multiple images. So as you can see, turn up to 7 images into a video. So if you go to the Grok images section, in the old update you can only create images with the video with one images. Now you can upload many images. So here's an example. As you can see, if I go to my prompt section, you can see I have uploaded 2 images here, where this is the first image and this is the second image, where a dragon is flying past by behind from the night here. So my prompt is the night standing, wind blowing from the image 1. So this is the image 1, and then suddenly a dragon fly past him and he look back from this image 2. So, and after that, as you can see, this that I got, which is pretty accurate. That's what I want. Now you can upload up to 7 images. So here's another video where I uploaded 3 images. The knight is standing and the dragon is flying past by in the background. This is the image, and I just, for example, I just place a pizza image here and told it to the then he throw the pizza from the image 3, and this is the video. So it's just a 6-second video, so that was not perfect. So now you can make videos with Grok AI for first frame to last frame here. So if I go to my images section here and go to the video and animate images, so this is going to be the image for the background. So I'm going to use this image as a background, the first frame, and I'm going to upload another image, which this is going to be the last shot. This is going to be the second image. So I just need to tap the prompt here. So whenever you want to reference the image, like which image is going to be the first or the last, you need to type at here, and this is going to be the show you the image, how much image that you uploaded. So there are 2 images. Now as you can see, I have typed at image. Now I can choose which is going to be the first image. So I'm going to choose the image 1 as the background. So this is my second prompt: a dragonfly from the sky and lay down calmly. So this is going to be my last frame, and if I just click submit here, it's going to use the both image. So this is going to be used for the first frame, and this is going to be the last frame. You can upload multiple images, like up to 7 images, to create your video. So our video has been ready. Let's see how the video looks here. So as you can see, the video look pretty good here from the first image. So this is the first image, which is pretty accurate, and this is the last image, which also pretty accurate. So there's a cool use case that I want to show you in the last video, that I created another video with 4 images, and you can actually can control the images with camera move. So this is my prompt here, and these are the 4 images. This is the first image as the character of the Black Knight, and this is the background that I use, and this is a product which is RTX GPU is going to be used on the video, and there's a dragon which is going to be laid beside him. So my prompt was the Black Knight from the image 1 is laying down, and this is the background holding the RTX GPU from at image 3, and the dragon sleeping beside him and image at image 4. And then I use the camera slow zoom to RTX GPU, which is also I mentioned reference use the image 3. And when I submit this, I got this video, and look at the result here. And the last part, it did a cool slow zoom and also a transition, the armor, Black Knight armor holding the RTX GPU, and then I redo it, and I also got this image here, this video here, which is also pretty good. So now you get it, how you can use this multiple image to create video on Grok AI, which is also for free. You can create multiple videos with multiple images right now. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.